guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today I think we're gonna do museums. I think we're gonna go out to eat first. If not, we're gonna go see something like a museum. Also, we're gonna do haunted walks, which I think is so cool, but I'm also like a scaredy cat, so I don't even know if I can handle that. So I'll be doing day vlogs, just like how my days are here. I am so happy that we are here in New Orleans. It's so nice, and everybody's like so awesome and amazing. At night it does get a little hectic though, not gonna lie, because it's like also like in the party area, like Bourbon Street. That's like the district, the clubs and all that. Also, everyone's just like doing random things. Like there's like people like playing music, taming animals. Like there was this guy that literally, like, we passed by him once and all the animals were hyper. Then we passed by again and like half of them were asleep, and I was like, is that the act? Like, what? I'm confused. Like, what did he do to them? I hope you guys have fun with me. If you guys want, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about New Orleans, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and let's see where we go today. My mom said go straight and then left. I don't think we know how straight we're actually supposed to be going. Also, I should have brought my glasses. It's sunny. Are we lost? But I don't think we could find it, or did we find it? Oh, there was a huge line. Okay, so we came to Hard Rock. I think it's like almost 12. Are we gonna get to the seat or what? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking to me. I was like, I'm so sorry.
I can talk to you first. When you pay, are you gonna listen?
When you pay, it is destination fee.
Okay. Oh, look, they have specials of the day.
I think that's drinks, no?
Bread pudding. No, there's a po' boy on here. We got lemonade. I don't think I even checked what was inside these nachos. I just said they look. Right now we are taking a red streetcar. The New Orleans streetcars are one of the very first passenger railroads in the US, and they have 3 lines that you can go through. Right now, we are on the Canal Street line because we are going to the cemetery tours. And this Canal Street line takes you from the Mississippi River through Canal Street into the middle of New Orleans. The next one is St. Charles Avenue line, which takes you across the French Quarters and Canal Street. It goes through the Central Business District, and the streetcar passes through mansions, monuments, and Loyola and Tulane University. And the last one is Riverfront line, which we also did go on, and this one takes you from the French Market to the aquarium and the Riverwalk Shopping Center. The prices for the streetcar is $1.25 per ride per person, or per person you can get an all-day pass for only $3. We did the all-day pass for $3.
Destination. It shows on the little thing.
Mom literally almost rolled back. I think we actually went to like this cemetery, but we couldn't record, so I just put pictures. It was pretty cool. Like, they were showing us just like people who are like famous who like died there and stuff, or not died there, but who were buried there. So this is the St. Louis Cemetery number 1, and it was made all the way back in 1789. Before anyone could come and see the cemetery without any tours, but due to vandalism and things like that, they did close it down, and now you can only go inside for tours, and we couldn't take any video while we were inside. So there are many famous people who are buried here. One of them is Marie Laveau, who is known as the Voodoo Queen of New Orleans. She has 2 burial grounds here in the cemetery. One is fake and one is real, and the reason for that is because people would draw on the real one, the X's, and leave a bunch of things at her grave and ask her for advice or things like that. And so because of that, they did have to make another one to throw people off. The next famously known thing here in the cemetery is the Italian Benevolent Society tomb, which was made by Pietro Gualdi. I think I'm saying his name correctly. This monument is famously in the movie Easy Rider, and there's a clip in the movie where they are in St. Louis Cemetery, and they were actually not allowed to shoot here, and the way that they figured out that they did shoot in this place was because in the scene they caught the name Pietro Gualdi, and they realized this was in the St. Louis Cemetery. The next famously known person who is buried here is the unofficial world champion of chess. They said on the tour that the show Queen's Gambit on Netflix is closely related to him and who he was as a person, as well as his history in chess. And finally, Nicolas Cage's tomb. Nicolas Cage, who is known for his movie National Treasure, purchased the last 2 plots in the cemetery in 2010 for his tomb for his own burial. I do recommend that you go visit this cemetery. It's really cool and the history is so amazing. They tell you in-depth stories of every tomb, and I just really liked it and I would want to go again. It's really interesting. So right now we are on the Riverfront Line streetcar, which is taking us to the ferry. And fun fact, for this ferry, if you want to get on and you have the all-day pass, you are allowed to go with this pass. If you do not have the pass, you can still buy a ticket for $2. The ferry goes from Canal Street across the Mississippi to Algiers Point. At Algiers Point, they have cafes, parks, they have the Jazz Walk of Fame. We did not go across fully, we just wanted to ride the ferry really just for the experience. For reference, they leave every 30 minutes to an hour. to get off the ferry and get on for the second ride because we kind of just wanted to ride the ferry. We didn't actually like want to go see the other side, and it's air conditioned, so that's pretty good since it's like freaking hot outside. And then after, we're gonna get snow cones, and then I think we're gonna walk a little, or we might go back to the hotel. I'm not too sure, but I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. The cemetery thing, it was so cool to go to, but it was so hot outside, and they had like little areas where like you would like mist, like get the mist on you, but there was only some areas. It wasn't like the whole thing. And then I'm wearing like super dark jeans, so that didn't help, but so far it's been fun. And now I'm tired. I think it's 5:30 right now, and I already want to go to sleep. That's how hot it is, but it's fun. I'm sitting with my sister on the ferry thing, and then my parents and my brother are sitting behind me. So now we are on the green streetcar, which is the St. Charles Avenue line, and it is amazing. As you go through it, you can see that we passed by a lot of really pretty houses and mansions, really nice monuments. We also passed by Loyola and Tulane University, which was really nice, and a few parks, and just businesses that are outside the actual tourist area of Canal Street and the French Quarters. Being on the streetcar, it felt so nice. Like, it just was amazing, and also I really liked seeing other places besides the bustling area of New Orleans.